So here again frequency is inversely proportional to wavelength, and frequency is equals to, here the velocity term has been changed in the name of c upon lambda. This is the most important thing. c यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ, c इक्वल्स टू, आप नीचे लिखना पेज में, c इक्वल्स टू स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम, which is approximately 3 into 10 की power 8 meter per second. When you remove proportionality symbol, then a constant comes, and here the constant is c, and the value of c is speed of light, or 3 into 10 की power 8 meter per second. It is known as electromagnetic wave, and it has almost similar characteristic of transverse mechanical wave. So let us move to the spectrum of light. बच्चों, in this section we are going to study about spectrum of electromagnetic radiation. So first of all, let us try to understand what is spectrum. Spectrum is actually the rack of anything which has been arranged in the increasing or decreasing order. For example, let us imagine you have got a set of pen. So how will you arrange it? You will arrange it like 5 rupees pen, 10 rupees pen, 20 rupees pen, 50 rupees pen, and 100 rupees pen. So if you have got set like this, then you will call it spectrum of pen. So arranging things in increasing or decreasing order is known as spectrum. When we are going to arrange electromagnetic waves, then it will call as electromagnetic spectrum. So spectrum means arranging anything in its increasing or decreasing value, either it is number or name. For example, in class the first boy is named with the letter of A, then B, then C, D, E, F, G, etc. When electromagnetic waves are arranged in their increasing wavelength or decreasing frequency, it is known as spectrum of electromagnetic radiation. So it is, this diagram I have taken from your NCERT. So let us try to read out. Here this is arranged in decreasing frequency, and from this side, as you already know, frequency is inversely proportional to wavelength. If frequency is decreasing, then wavelength is obviously increasing. Here in this case frequency is decreasing, and in this case same thing, but wavelength is increasing. So let us try to find out what is this. This is the visible region. Let me draw it special. This is the visible. Only this spectrum of light we can see by our naked eyes, है ना, केवल हम इसी स्पेक्ट्रम को देख सकते हैं. And this starts from 400 nanometer of wavelength to 750 nanometer of wavelength. It is very amazing to know that plant can only harvest only few spectrum of light, है ना. It can never absorb the energy from solar energy comes in this all this section, except it comes in UV zone. You know very well, ozone is between solar system and our earth atmosphere. It used to absorb UV. So first of all, tell me, I am telling you that there is no perfect boundary of frequency. Either if you say that I can put this arrow over here, maybe it is 10. It is the rough idea of that कि UV comes in 10 की power 16 of frequency and 10 की power -8 of wavelength range. So how it has been calculated? We just frequency equals to c upon lambda. We use this formula. You put this value instead of frequency, you will find out the wavelength. If you are going to put wavelength here, then you will find out the frequency of this. So it takes place like this. So let us move to the let us study this section of electromagnetic spectrum. And the first is gamma rays. I have already told you, the greater the frequency, more will be the hardness of ray. It will cause more and more harm to you. So gamma rays comes under very high frequency, very high frequency of 10 to the power 24. It means Frequency means I have already told you that in 1 second how many waves are passing through a point. So you can imagine in 1 second the number of waves which are passing is about 10 to the power 24. Can you imagine if 10 to the power 24 waves can pass through 1 second? क्या होगा, बहुत एनर्जी होती है. तो ये तो कैंसर फैला देती है, इससे तो कैंसर हो जाता है गामा रे से. जब जनरली व्हेन वी हैव टू आयनाइज एनीथिंग वी जस्ट पुट गामा रेज ओवर दैट मटेरियल. The next is X-ray. X-ray you have already heard about it. Wilhelm Röntgen 1895, and this was the X-ray. And this was the major discovery. Along with it, alpha, beta, gamma rays were also discovered, where alpha was used by Rutherford. Here it is the frequency range, and it is the wavelength range. The next is UV. You know very well UV from sunlight. This one is the visible range. Here the important thing you have to learn that the visible range comes from 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer. And one more thing you have to understand that you are not going to find if there has been written that the visible range comes from 380 nanometer to 760. It is the only rough idea. When it starts 380 nanometer, then eyes can see. It's like it will look like I am seeing any light. But in case of when it reaches 400 like 450, so it is clear that this color is indigo. है ना. तो पहले violet दिखने लगेगा, violet के बाद indigo दिखने लगेगा, blue, green, yellow, orange और लास्ट में red दिखेगा. Most important thing is violet has got higher frequency and low wavelength, and red has got lower frequency and high wavelength. So what does wavelengths tell us that आपने कभी देखा होगा ट्रेन के पीछे रेड लाइट लगी होती है, जितनी ज्यादा हाई वेवलेंथ होती है उतनी ज्यादा उसकी पेनिट्रेटिंग पावर होती है ना. तो रेड लाइट बहुत दूर से भी दिखती है, तो आपको मालूम होगा कि सिंगलिंग का रेड लाइट यूज करते हैं, है ना. जितना ज्यादा वेवलेंथ होगी. फॉर एग्जांपल अभी आगे और बताता हूँ. दिस इज इंफ्रारेड. अभी आप अपना रिमोट उठाएंगे टीवी का, टीवी रिमोट हैज गॉट इंफ्रारेड. इनफैक्ट एवरी सिग्नलिंग थिंग, एवरी sometimes people install in their home like clapping, light switch off, light switch on. This is just a kind of signaling system where infrared, in fact army uses infrared camera in order to check in the night is it a terrorist or an animal, है ना. मान लो एक फौजी है, बंदूक लेके बैठा हुआ है और कोई एनिमल है झाड़ियों में जा रहा है, उसे गलतफहमी हो गई, उसे लगा आतंकवादी मार दिया, जानवर की जान क्यों जाए. बट ही हैज गॉट इंफ्रारेड कैमरा. इंफ्रारेड कैमरा कैन identify either it is human or it is an animal. So the infrared has got intensive use in signaling purpose. The next one is microwave. For example, father came late in the night and he told your mother, just put my food particles or food items warm in. So what your mother do? Your mother put the dishes with a particular plate etc. which do not melt in microwave. She just put it in there and the sabji, roti etc. whatever they are going to eat becomes hot. This one is the microwave. The other one is FM. FM, I think you know FM very well. Lot of songs come in FM, and Assamese song, Hindi song, English song. Lot of frequency modulation. This one is known as frequency modulator, modulation, and this is amplitude modulation. FM and AM. These are radio waves, and these are shorter waves, and these are longer waves. Wavelength यहाँ पर ज़्यादा है 10 की power 2. 10 की power 2 meters. Can you imagine? Around 100 meter of wavelength. 100 मीटर मीन्स यहाँ से करीबन जैसे साई विकास का कैंपस, रमन कैंपस में 100 मीटर का तो डिस्टेंस होगा, इतनी उसकी वेवलेंथ होती है. तो वो है AM, ये है AM, FM, है ना. और द लास्ट इज लॉन्ग रेडियो वेव्स. दीज आर जनरली यूज्ड इन आर्मी या मिलिट्री पर्पस बिकॉज these have got very high range of wavelength and there is lot of army in our neighborhood, so we just set particular frequency and we used to change it on particular day so that no one can intercept our talkings of army military personnel, है ना? So this one is the visible range starting from roughly from 400 nanometer to roughly 750 nanometer. So that was all about spectrum of electromagnetic radiation. Now let us move to another section. So I have taken few numericals from NCERT. Actually आज मैं बिल्कुल लोड नहीं देना चाहता, कई बच्चे मुझसे शिकायत कर रहे थे कि you have uploaded per day lot of videos and we find it हमसे नहीं हो पा रहा है, बच्चे बोलते हैं। तो मैं आज आपको लोड नहीं दे रहा, आपको बिल्कुल सिंपल एग्जांपल और बहुत ही छोटा सा कंसेप्ट पढ़ाया है। कल को जो है मैं थोड़ा अच्छी वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा। सो लेट अस लुक ओवर सम एग्जांपल्स फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी। एनसीईआरटी से उठा के एज इट इज यहाँ रख दिया है, देयर इज नथिंग आई हैव क्रिएटेड दिस टाइम। सो विविध भारती अ ब्रॉडकास्ट इज अ ऑल इंडिया रेडियो and it broadcast from New Delhi center and it is listened in all over the country, है ना? So ये ऑल इंडिया रेडियो का ब्रॉडकास्ट का चैनल है एंड आपने सुनी होगी ये वॉइस, मैंने तो बचपन में सुनी थी। मेरे नाना जी रेडियो बहुत सुनते थे, बोलते थे उस पर आवाज़ आती थी। मैं विविध भारती ऑल इंडिया रेडियो स्टेशन से राजेश कुमार बोल रहा हूँ और हम सुनेंगे आज के मुख्य समाचार। और वो समाचार ऐसे चलता था और फिर उसके बाद आता था म्यूजिकल प्रोग्राम, जैसे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे पुराने गाने आते थे। तो मेरे नाना जी जो है 4 बैटरी हुआ करती थी, बड़ी बड़ी हिप्पो की 4 बैटरी उसमें लगती थी और हार्डली जब हम दिन में जो है हम नाना जी का रेडियो ऑन कर देते थे तो वो बहुत गुस्सा करते थे कि मेरा बैटरी आप ख़त्म कर दोगे और फिर मुझे जल्दी से खरीदना पड़ेगा एंड सो ऑन। तो वो पुरानी यादें हैं विविध भारती। तो विविध भारती ब्रॉडकास्ट एट दिस मच ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी कैलकुलेट द वेवलेंथ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन एमिटेड बाय द ट्रांसमीटर। तो सिंपली यू नो द फॉर्मूला C इक्वल्स टू लैम्डा इक्वल्स टू C अपॉन न्यू, है ना? लैम्डा निकालना है, C की वैल्यू आपको पता है 3 × 10⁸ मीटर पर सेकंड। यहाँ पे डाल दो ये 1368 × 10⁻³ तो यहाँ से वेवलेंथ रफली कैलकुलेट होके आएगी। मैंने अभी भी याद करा 219.3 मीटर। पहले एग्जांपल सॉल्व किए एंड इन द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल ही हैज गिवन अस वेवलेंथ ऑफ विजिबल जोन। वी ऑलरेडी सॉ इट 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer. We have to express this value in frequency. So let us imagine frequency of 400 nanometer will be, I am using again this formula 3 into C upon lambda. So new 400 equals to 3 into 10⁸ upon lambda 1 and new 750 equals to 3 into 10⁸ upon lambda 2. I am just going to copy this from my book. The first one will be 7.5 to 4. 7.5 into 10⁻40 and this is 4.0 into 10⁻40 hertz. तो ये आप वापस वेरीफाई भी कर सकते हैं डाटा, क्योंकि मैंने अभी टेबल बनाई थी, ये उसी रेंज में आना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट last numerical of today's class is this one is the last example. Calculate wave number frequency of yellow radiation having wavelength of 5800 angstrom. उसने वेवलेंथ दे दी है तो वेव नंबर निकालना है। मैं क्या करूँ, वेव नंबर का फॉर्मूला 1/लैम्डा, तो 1/5800 एंगस्ट्रॉम को मैं मीटर में कन्वर्ट करूँगा into 10⁻⁻10 एंड द सेकंड केस आपकी क्या पूछा है, फ्रीक्वेंसी। हाँ, फ्रीक्वेंसी इक्वल्स टू C अपॉन लैम्डा, ये जगह 3 into 10⁸ अपॉन 5800 into 10⁻⁻10। इसका आंसर एनसीईआरटी में दिया हुआ है, मैं इस कॉपी करके बता देता हूँ। पहले वाले का है 1.724 into 10⁻6 पर मीटर है, और दूसरे वाले का है 5.172 into 10 की पावर 14 hertz है ना, per second or hertz. So that was all about today's class. I hope you have got a basic knowledge of wave. Actually wave has got a lot of things in order to study about. You will study it in your later section in wave optics, but for now just we are going to have an intro of it, and this intro I hope will find you how Bohr calculated its values and how he given his hypothesis. I hope you are doing well, and आज अपनी मम्मी को जो है वेव क्रिएट करके दिखाना है ऐसे. बाय बाय.